Hi there and welcome to Mock Question Monday. Today's question covers the code in general. And the question is, which of the following is not one of the main sections of the code? And the answer choices are responsible conduct, responsibility to society, responsibility to the profession, and responsibility to colleagues. And the correct answer, which is not one of the main sections of the code, is responsibility to society. As I hope you guys know, there are 10 sections within the code. And although you don't need to memorize all the specific, section numbers, you should know the 10 categories and have that understanding of what falls under those sections. Not too broadly. You should really have a specific understanding of those areas. So let's talk about the options. Option A, this is from section 1.0, Responsible Conduct of Behavior Analysts. And this main section addresses our professional behavior, which includes our reliance on scientific knowledge in our practice. It also includes practicing within our own area of competence and ensuring that we continue to maintain our competence through professional and expand our professional competence through professional development. This has to do with integrity in general. And all of this actually has to do with integrity, doesn't it? But also professional and scientific relationships, which more specifically would include multiple relationships, conflicts of interest, exploitative relations. Option B, this is section 6.0. Behavior Analysts' ethical responsibility to the profession of behavior analysis. This main section addresses what we all do to advance our field, to honor our field, to honor this science. And this includes quite specifically supporting and upholding those principles: punishment, extinction, reinforcement, and as well as disseminating behavior analysis, basically getting the word out that this scientific method is out there that helps to improve people's lives. Option D, Behavior Analysts' ethical responsibility to colleagues. Now, this main section addresses how we treat and engage with our colleagues. And this is an important area because mainly it helps us apply behavior analysis to, being a good person at work is how I sort of look at it. But what does that really mean? It means that we promote an ethical culture. And it also means that we ensure that we're paying attention to the ethical violations of others, and that we're ensuring that if we are privy to risks or harm, that we're taking the appropriate actions to prevent those things, to stop those things, and to ensure that our colleagues are not engaging in any behavior that would cause such things. So the correct answer, which is responsibility to society, this is not one of the main sections of the code, but it is mentioned and described in the code in section 2.0, specifically 2.09, which has to do with treatment intervention efficacy. So the fact that clients have the right to effective treatment is obviously very important, and effective means based on research, adapted to the person. And obviously, one of the other things that this covers is that procedures are validated through long-term, effects on the individual, and also the benefits to society. I should say long and short-term effects to individuals and society. All right, I hope that helps. Get out there and be ethical, and I'll see you next time.